Do you know that you can win a 10,000 prize for well FPV racing? Next time you can enter the contest if you are confident enough in your skills. Welcome to FPV Insights. I'm Lucy. Today we are going to talk about the 2023 FAI World Drone Racing Championships. The 2023 FAI World Drone Racing Championships came to end close on Monday. Over 100 participants compete for the $1 million cash prize and the general prize set of a freezing of racing, renowned as the biggest competition of the kinds. A total of 115 competitors are registered for the championships. In total, there were 14 juniors competing, as well as 16 seniors, with age range from 9 years old to 14-7. They battle it out in Nanwang Sports Town Complex, Jeollabuk-do, from 6 to 9 October 2023, in an exhilarating high-speed drone race with cash prize up to 4 grabs. The tournament is divided into women's, youth, and individuals competition, and the prize money was on offer for the top 4 pilots in individuals, female, and the juniors category, plus the top 6 nations. The best individual won 15 million South Korea won, just over $10,000 US. The racing had officially commenced with a spectacular light show involving 600 drones at the stadiums on 6 October, which was absolutely spectacular and added a magic touch to the event. Then the team paraded in front of the spectators with their national flags, which leave a deep impression. After 4 days of thrilling competition, Korean pilot Min-Chen Kim, 19, emerged as the overall winner of the 2023 FAI World Drone Racing Championships. His exceptional flying ability and the strategy manners earned him the top spot of the podium, coming in a close second were Japanese pilots Yuki Hashimoto and the Danish Victor Jasons. When Raya Vanapong, 16, from Thailand, emerged as a champion in the female category. This marks her third consecutive title win after triumphing in both the 2018 and 2019 and won 8 million South Korea won. Zhao Tingyu from China and Luisa Rizzo from Italy won the second and third place. In the junior category, Min Jae Kim from Korea, 15, saw to victory with his exceptional flying skills and impressive agility. Besides Kim, on the podium were Jacob Capabres from the USA, 17, and the Silas Greeners, 17, also from the USA. Korea, the host country, secured the top spot in the national rankings and claimed the gold medal. The USA and Japan come in second and third place, respectively. It is worth noting that the Chinese team won the 4th place in this competition with outstanding performance and exquisite skills. We're looking forward to more exciting performance from the Chinese team in the coming competition. It was the third FAI World Drone Racing Championships in 2023. The previous events were held in 2018 and 2019. This was the highly anticipated return of the championships after epidemic.